for Simon Ambler and Lot.
Tarek, congratulations with your beautiful 19. Next up, Kevin Jones. This is the Manufacturers Award. Kevin Jones, beautiful. And so on to Aston Martin, the Aston Martin Owners Club, the Club Secretaries Award. The Davis wins the Aston Martin Owners Club Secretary. Aston Martin DB. Well done. Look at B6. Ed, congratulations. Martin, congratulations. It's got the World Championship car. Wouldn't have a Countach in it. This beautiful Lamborghini Countach with it. Martin. Very jealous, John. It's an app I recall. Maserati Club UK. And now this car has come all the way from Belgium. Simon Davis, Maserati Quattroporte 2. Next, Norman, you win. Beautiful 930 Turbo, one of the early cars. This Norman. GT3 owned by Mark. Mark, congratulations. Celebration here. Thank you. Enthusiast Club. Claire's winning car goes beautiful Rolls-Royce Camargue. And now another very rare car as well. This M600 now from R8 Adventures Club. Very much. Now from Mercedes-Benz Club UK, called because of, as you can see, the design. And this gorgeous Spider RS, rare Mercedes-Benz 730. And to the co-winner, the 2013 Noble M600.
Massive round of applause,
congratulations to you both.